Hello, this is our second video of physics. In this video we will talk about the second law of Newton related with friction. The second law of Newton relates with the statement that says that the acceleration of an object is proportional to its net force and its mass. So in the friction we can see in our diagram that is the contrary force that is applied to an object. Is the one that forces the object to stay on its plane and is rested to the normal net force. Okay, so in this exercise we have a block that weighs 7 kilograms and the net force applied to it is 35 newtons and its acceleration is 4 meters per second squared. So we need to determine the friction.
Greetings. So I will continue our exercise. So basically, after knowing all of the data information, we have to know the formula. So the formula for this equation is the next. Is friction equal mass. Okay, so the first step is we have to put the net force, that is 35 newtons. So here 35 newtons. Then we have to put a minus friction. And okay, so we have to put the kilograms and the acceleration. So we know that it's 7 kilograms multiplied by 4. Okay, so to continue, we just have to put here our net force 35 newtons minus 28, that is the multiplication between 7 times 4, 28, and here we put the friction. And so, well, the last step, you only have to subtract these both numbers, that it's gonna be our friction is gonna be 7 newtons, and that's how you solve this equation.
Okay. Hello, so I will explain more about this formula. We know that this is the original formula and we use another variation. In this case, we use the net force subtracted by the friction is equal to the mass multiplied by the acceleration. So we multiply these two that are 28, and we pass it to subtract the 35, and we leave the friction to our side, so it gives a total of 7 newtons of friction. So we have our graph completed, and if you have questions about the variation of this formula, these are the friction over mass of the acceleration and the friction over acceleration equal to mass. Okay, so thank you for your attention. This is the second law of Newton related to the friction. Thank you.